The only way to save us is through
Yo, everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I was scrolling through YouTube and I've encountered ROSALÍA. Never heard of her, never seen her before, never listened to any track that she released before. So I'm a newbie. Okay, I'm a Jamaican and I'm traveling from Jamaica to across the world to encounter new variation of artists and to see what their music sounds like, what their culture is, and the historical documentary beyond their musical diaspora. So I'm here for the music. Okay, my people. So guys, I'll be checking out Berghain, I think, official music video featured Björk and Yves Tremor. Okay, my people, so let's see what's up. Let's see what go on. Peace. Wait a minute, bro. Wait a minute. It's a violinist music? Bro, are these people the best in their country when it comes on to playing violins? Because, bro, the violinists here are doing crazy work, beautiful work. The sound of the violin are so peaceful, bro. Like, bro, come on, bro. This is authentic. Oh my god, what a beautiful music. I'm feeling this music, bro. Yo, ain't no way, dog. Ain't no way. Bro, that is remarkable. Her voice sounds so purified, bro. What a beautiful, beautiful voice, bro. I gotta say, enchanting voice. The way how she sounds, the vocals are crazy. The vocals are crazy, bro. Damn. As a Jamaican, I'm impressed. I am impressed. This is impressive. Very impressive.
Yo sé muy bien lo que soy, ternura pa'l café. Solo soy un terrón de azúcar, sé que me funde el calor, sé desaparecer. Cuando tú vienes es cuando me voy.
Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, let me wrap my head around this. Okay. So this is her authentic voice. This is how she normally sings. This is the type of music she does. And I see why the people are loving her voice. I see why so much people are gathering to listen to what she have to say, to see the vision in her music, and to sit and to orchestrate all what she have to do in her music and to become a fan, bro. This is one of the most beautiful voices I've heard in 2025. 2025 almost ended, and bro, trust me, I've reacted to like tons and tons of artists, but this one, Rosalia's voice, stand out beautifully, bro. Emerging voice, bro. Like she's just the queen of what she does, and I can tell that in her country they crown her to be queen in her musical diaspora. Very good, bro. Very good. I'm impressed. I'm impressed, bro.
This is the only way to save us is through divine intervention. The only
Whoa. 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 This is very outlandish. Too musical. Too genial. Too creative. Right? Bro, the images that are displaying in this video, bro, is top notch, bro. What are the symbolization of this song? Let me know in the comments because I'm eager to learn, bro. I want to learn more about Rosalia. I'm intrigued. I am intrigued. But bro, what I'm seeing thus far, I'm loving the creativity of the song, loving the creativity of the music video, loving the creativity of her and her talent. Very, very magnificent. Marvelous. Just marvelous, bro. Let's continue.
way I will be saved by intervention.
I'll fuck you till you love me. I'll fuck you till you love me. I'll fuck you till you love me. 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 Love me. Till you love me. I'll fuck you till you love me. I'll fuck you till you love me. Love me. Love me. Love me. Love me.
Wait. I need part two. Is the voice says, I'll fuck you till you love me, or I'll touch you till you love me. There's some form of connection to those contexts. Alright? So I guess she's crying over someone she really loves and admires. Or that person loves her, but she does not love that person as how that person loves her. Or they both love each other, but the expression with both sides, it's not connecting, bro. Either way, do love it, bro. I do love it. And whichever context this video will flip to, it's happening all over the world, bro. A lot of this has been taking place, right? It may not be public, but it's happening, bro. So this music can be, relating to people's daily lives, right? So this is what music does, bro. It doesn't matter who the music is referring to, whether it's from the artist's perspective or from the fan base or from the people outside the music, it will be something they can relate to. And to see music like this, bro, everything, the birds chirping alongside with her, she's sleeping as if she's having an hallucination of that guy telling her that context, it's something very promising. I ain't gonna lie. It's promising, it's there, it's futuristic, it's in the present, it's in the past. It's just there, bro. It's just there. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.